So number 5 is stating if triangle KLOG is similar to VWU, triangle VWU, then we have to find the value of x. So what similarity means is that they're proportional to each other. So we can create some proportional statements. So what we're going to do here is figure out what is going to create a ratio with what, comparing these two triangles. Since it's not stated, this is going to be my triangle 1 and this is going to be my triangle 2. So what we're going to do is, first I'm going to just choose a random part here. So I'm going to choose KL here. So it's important that I have my similarity statement. So right here, I'm going to highlight KL. What you notice is that KL is the first and second term. So that means I'm going to highlight also the first and second term of this triangle, VW. And VW here is 20. Secondly, I'm going to highlight KJ. What I have for KJ, K and J is the first and third term, so I have to highlight V and U. And VU here is going to be this. So that means my two ratios equal each other. In other words, the proportion we're going to create is, it's going to be the yellow over the yellow is equivalent to the green over the green. So since I did denote this as my 1, I'm always going to start with this as my 1 being my numerator. So what we have here is our 25 is going to be over 20 based off of our similarity statement, which is equivalent to 4x minus 23, which is going to be all over 2x plus 2. Alright, 25 and 20, what pattern do I see there? Well, right away I notice 25 and 20 both end with 5s. So what I can do is simplify them by taking out the 5 prime numbers between both 25 and 5. So when you take out 25 from 5, or when you take out 5 from 25, you get 5. And when you take out 5 from 20, you get 4. Is equal to 4x minus 23 all over 2x plus 2. So right here we have 5 over 4 is equal to 4x minus 23 all over 2x plus 2. 5 over 4 is considered to be my scale factor. 5 over 4 is going to be easier to work with because my numbers aren't going to be as big. It's much smaller, so it's much easier to work with. So just to keep track of what I'm doing, I'm going to cross multiply 5 with 2x plus 2. And then I'm going to cross multiply 4x minus 23 by 4. So what we have here, oops, let me get this written down. So what we have here is we have 5 times the quantity of 2x plus 2 is equivalent to 4 times the quantity of 4x minus 23. So what we need to do here is we need to find the value of x, exactly what we're looking for. So first we have to use the distributive property for both. 5 times 2x and then 5 times 2. Well, 2x and 2 are the same, so it's going to give us 10x plus 10 is equal to 4 times 4x is 16x. And then 4 times negative 23 is going to give me 12. It's looking like 90, 92. Let me just make sure. 23 times 4 and 92. It's never wrong to check your calculator. From here, I want to combine my coefficients right away. 10x, 16x. Well, I noticed that 16 is bigger, so I'm going to subtract 10x. Subtract 10x. We get 10 is equal to 6x minus 92. And then I want to combine my constants, so I add 92 to both sides, add 92. Just due to space, we're going to finish up here. We're at 102 is equal to 6x. And then I want to get my coefficient just to be a variable, a number by itself, or a variable by itself, divide by 6, divide by 6. That goes into it once, and then so 102 divided by 6 will get us x is equal to 17. And so that is our answer for number 5.